Tired of hunting for the outline window in Draw.io? Here's exactly how to toggle it in 5 seconds. No more digging through menus, no more frustration. Just one simple click and you're done. I'll show you the 2 clicks to open and close it so you never waste time again. So let's start from your Jira Dashboard. This is where you're probably already working, so there's nothing new to set up. Just make sure you're logged into your Jira account and you can see your project board or your issue view. Now, navigate to the diagram you need. Whether it's attached to a ticket or embedded in a Confluence page, click on it to open it up. This will launch the Draw.io editor right inside your browser, and that's exactly where we want to be. All right, now look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar, and the first option is labeled View. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Draw.io hides all its display settings, so think of it as your control center for what you see on screen. From the drop-down that appears, you'll want to click on Outline. It's usually near the bottom of the list. And here's the important part. This is a toggle, so clicking it once will turn it on. You'll see a check mark appear next to it. And there it is. Your outline window will pop up on the right side of the screen. This little panel shows you a miniature overview of your entire diagram, which is incredibly useful when you're working on complex flowcharts or large network diagrams. You can click and drag in the outline to navigate quickly, which is something I found myself using constantly. Now, to close the outline window, you just repeat the same steps. Click on View again at the top left. The drop-down will appear, and you'll see that Outline option still has a check mark next to it. Then click on Outline to uncheck it. This is the toggle behavior I mentioned. 1 click to turn it on, 1 click to turn it off. And it's gone. The outline window slides away and you're back to your full editing canvas. No fuss, no hidden menus, no searching. So that's really all there is to it. 2 clicks to show the outline, 2 clicks to hide it. Once you know where to look, it takes less time than loading a cup of coffee. Now you can jump between your diagram and its overview in seconds, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and happy diagramming.